Hi, my name is Keith and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you an easy way you can use to make money on TikTok. So with this method I'm about to show you, you'll be able to make money in 3 simple easy steps. And the first step is you have to visit this website. So the link to this website is actually in the description. So the first thing you have to do is simply open sound.me and you simply have to click on sign up as a creator. But before creating an account and so on, let me first explain to you how this website works. So how does this website work? So when it comes to this website, the first step you have to do is create an account. So when creating an account, you'll be requested to connect your TikTok account, and that's how they'll be able to pull the analytics from your TikTok and see how your videos are performing. So the first thing you can do, like click on the home page, is that you can choose your country where you're watching this video from. So as for me, I am from Zambia. So what I can do is simply enter the country Zambia, and I can simply drag this to the left or right and see how much money I could make if a video got this so many views. So let us say a video got of about 100k views, I would earn about $350, which is very good. Okay, and if a video gets like 1000 views, you make like $3.5. This is more money than what YouTube pays. So this is actually a good thing. So what I have to do is simply click sign up as a creator. When you do that, after connecting your TikTok account, okay, you're going to be receiving offers. Okay, and what you're supposed to do is simply create a video based on the instructions you are given with the audio you are given. Then from there you get paid via PayPal. Okay, so let us try to create an account. So as for me, I already have an account with sounds.me, so I am not going to create another one, but the process is simple. Simply follow what you are asked. So by clicking on that button, as you might see, it will request to authorize your TikTok account. So simply click on authorize, then that's it. Okay, so this is how your dashboard is going to look like. So over here, as you can see, my balance is 0.00. It's because I just created my account today, but maybe by tomorrow or by the end of the week I might see some offers. So what you have to do is simply, like, you're going to see offers on this list. As of now, there's currently nothing, so you can simply click here and click on settings. Then simply fill in this information such as your first name, your last name. Then remember to choose your interest, like what do you do, what are you interested in TikTok. So I like comedy skits, I like dance videos, arts, and travel. That's it. Then simply enter in your phone number, verify it, and tick these tick boxes to be notified whenever you get to have a sponsored request and so on. Then simply click on save settings, save changes. So from there, if you'd like to learn more about how this platform works, simply click on help. So what is sound.me? So Sound is an artificial intelligence based platform that pays you to make TikTok videos using specific sounds that they give you. So how much money you can make, I showed you there, where you can actually extend to the left or right on how much money you can make. Okay, but that's just an estimate. So how much money you can make, you'll be told, and you'll know when you get paid. So what is the maximum amount you can get paid? So you can read this at your own time. The video is becoming long. So the only thing you have to know is create an account. Okay, connect your TikTok account, fill in all those details, make videos as instructed, and get paid via PayPal. So this is it about today's video. If you learned something from it, give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe. Bye for now. This is Keith.